Okay, guys, now it's time for us to present our work. And I want to remind you again that today we are already drawing people in action, drawing some people swimming, and then there are doing some singing. Okay, the first person who can going to choose.
Why can't I present it?
Glenn, how are you? Want to send your work? Yeah, the first one will be Devanka. Ready, Devanka? 1, 2, go.
Hi. Yeah, first one I draw the people, the person. Then there's commercial. I draw the boat and the top of the water, the wave.
And then?
Then I draw the land. Then I draw seaweed. Three groups of seaweed. 2 coral. And also I draw crashes. And I write in one paper with letters.
Good job. Thank you, Devanka. Give round of applause for Devanka. Now, time to Ruth. Ruth, please present your work and speak louder, okay? Ready? Go. Bye, Devanka.
Bye-bye.
Ready, Ruth? 1, 2, go.
And a jellyfish. And I got a turtle eating a trash. And I brought fish blowing the trash as usual. And I brought a little jellyfish. And I brought and I drawed fish and some cans, and I brought a bottle, and I brought a bag, and I drawed bubbles. And I drawed a ship. I drawed
make it ano, yeah.
And I trash can and some little trash cans on the hand. Thank you, that's all.
All right, thank you. Give round of applause for Ruth. Yay! I give you 2 thumbs up and then 5 stars for Ruth. Thank you, Ruth. Now you can have a free time for you to draw. Now it's time for Fio first. Fio dulu. Silakan Fio. Present your work so we can get inspired. Get inspired by you.
Show your drawing.
Wow.
Pertama,
Kamu kelas berapa ya?
Kelas 3.
Ah, kelas 3 gambar udah keren banget. Ayo, coba. 1, 2, 3.
Pertama saya bergambar kedua saya gambar rambut. Ketiga saya gambar leher. Setelah itu saya gambar badan dan kaki.
Setelah itu saya menghiasnya dengan kayak ikan, bobot, dan rumput laut, dan yang sesuainya botol-botol yang di sekitar. Sudah.
Oke, thank you banget Vio. Vio, makin lama gambarnya makin bagus. Vio, terusin cara latih menggambarnya ya.
Oke.
Berhenti menggambar, kamu keren banget. Sketch-nya, misalnya udah bisa lihat, kamu semakin hari semakin keren banget. Tinggal nanti belajar cara mewarnainya harus yang halus, nggak boleh ada putih-putih. Semuanya harus tercover dengan warna, nggak boleh ada sedikit pun ada putih-putihnya. Good job, Vio. I give you 2 thumbs up. 2 jempol buat Vio. Bahkan 3 jempol sama jempol kaki. Sama 5 stars buat Vio. 5 bintang buat Vio. Keren banget. Oke, next will be Elbrus. Come on, Elbrus. Present your work. Ready? 1, 2, go. Use bahasa. It's okay. Ready? 1, 2, go. Halo teman-teman, namaku Elbrus. Ini gambarku.
Ya di sini kasih tahu Elbrus gambar.
Gambar apa?
Ya.
Mana buru-buru kasih tahu.
Keren banget gambarnya. Itu gambar apa? Orang lagi berenang ya?
Hilang.
Orang hilang. Di laut ada matahari.
Ya, di laut ada ikan pari sama apa lagi?
Ada kura-kura.
Ada matahari ya?
Kura.
Ada kura-kura. Ayo apa lagi?
Juga.
Iya, keren banget. Ada awannya juga ya?
Iya.
Keren banget. Ada apa lagi? Ada yang mau tanya nggak teman-teman sama Elbrus?
Elbrus baru 3 tahun 9 bulan.
Nah, iya 3 tahun 9 bulan memang motoriknya masih banyak belajar. Nggak apa-apa. Teruskan Mami and Daddy kasih bantu Elbrus untuk kasih sebanyak-banyaknya kertas sama pulpen supaya motorik tangannya bisa terus dilatih. Ya, nggak apa-apa, ini keren banget. Ini namanya masih tahap mencoreng, masih tahap doodling. Apalagi?
Bye.
Bye, Elbrus. Thank you so much. Elbrus, Mr. Al kasih jempol 2, keren banget. Dan dikasih bintang 5. Seperti itu ya. Oke, Elbrus, thank you so much. Sekarang kita ke Nico. Ready, Nico? 1, 2, go. Glenn, you have to be ready after this. 1, 2, go.
Gambar huruf, gambar telinga, lalu aku menggambar rambutnya, lalu aku menggambar badan kotak, lalu aku menggambar lengannya ini dan tangannya, satu lagi juga, dan aku membuat celananya, dan aku membuat leg dan kakinya. Lalu aku menggambar hiasan-hiasan seperti matahari, awan, ikan, kura-kura, seaweed, sama shell, dan satu lagi ada tanahnya di bawah.
Bawah, keren banget. Susah nggak gambar begitu, Nico?
Lumayan.
Lumayan ya. Nico kan udah mulai terbiasa gambar orang. Praktis terus ya gambar orangnya. Itu bagus. Tapi, ada tapinya. Misalnya masih lihat, kakinya masih pendek, kecil. Badannya panjang, kakinya kecil. Ya, dipanjangin lagi ya, Nico. Nih, misalnya buat seperti ini. Tuh, kakinya agak panjang. Nggak apa-apa. Lebih bagus kepanjangan daripada kependekan. Kalau kependekan jadinya kelihatannya orangnya kecil, kayak gitu. Ya, Nico. Orangnya gambar kakinya dipanjangin lagi nggak apa-apa. Ya harus double. selebar badan. Kalau badannya segini, perbandingan misalnya 1 jari, kakinya juga harus 1 jari ke bawah. Jadi sama-sama tinggi. Ya, sama-sama proporsional. Terima kasih Niko. Silakan melanjutkan mewarnai. Sekarang kita mau kasih waktunya untuk Kakak Ares. Ares kelas berapa sih, Res? Ares kelas berapa?
6th grade.
Kelas berapa sekarang, Ares?
Kelas 6.
Kelas 6?
Ya.
Ares
Kelas
harusnya Ares sudah mulai belajar digital ya. Digital art kayak pakai komputer, terus animasi.
Udah?
Di sekolah udah belajar digital art? Sudah ya?
Sudah?
Oke, keren banget Ares. Nanti misalnya pengen lihat karyanya Ares in digital art pakai komputer, nanti boleh di-share. Sekarang Ares lihat dulu gambarnya biar adik-adiknya bisa dapat inspirasi dari Ares. Ready? 1, 2, go. Tunjukin dong gambarnya. Ya, biar adik-adiknya bisa. Sini lihat dari kakak Ares.
This is my drawing. First, I draw the 3 men. I draw these 2 men is supporting 1 man to clean the ocean. And then I draw the ocean and island in here. And I draw a man was in island. Then I draw some sand in here. And I draw some trash in the ocean. And then I draw a fish. And then I draw a cloud and a bird and sun. And
Wow, Ares, I cannot say anything unless an awesome words. You are very cool. Well done. I give you 2 thumbs up. Even my daughter also admit that his drawing are very good. And then you are rich of creativity. You draw the bottleneck, and then some of them are stuck inside the sand like that. And then it is true that we are get inspired a lot by your presentation. And you know what? Your English, I give you 2 thumbs up for your confidence and for your brave to speak in English. Keep on speaking English, yeah, Ares.
Yeah.
okay, thank you, Mr. Al.
Yeah, you're welcome, Ares. Now we have who else? Yeah,
Yo.
yeah, Glenn. That's so sweet.
What? Me?
Oh yeah,
I'm black.
yeah. Get ready after this. Yes, Glenn.
I'm black.
It's okay. Just tell us your story.
What?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, go.
Who?
You, Glenn. We are waiting for
Oh.
you, Glenn.
Okay. First, I drawed the 3 men, and then the 3 men, I put snorkels on their mouth, and I drawed on their t-shirt Save Our Planet, and I draw the planets on their t-shirt. And then I drawed a wave on top of them. And then I drawed 1 person grabbing a net, 1 person grabbing a bucket, and 1 person catching the cans. And I drawed some cans, some bottles, some plastics. And I drawed fishes, jellyfishes, and I drawed a starfish. Then I drawed the ground, and I drawed plants, seaweed, and other living things in the ocean.
Okay. I know that I cannot see your drawing, but I believe that you are drawing well because you are a very extra mile person. who can create something beyond my imagination also. So Glenn, I will call your daddy to fix up your laptop, your camera, so that we can face each other later on. But otherwise, I will.
My dad is in Jakarta,
Yeah, so sad. That's why. Who can help you to fix up?
but my mom is here,
Yeah, I need your
and
mom.
my mom is an expert at computers.
Okay, I hope that your mommy can fix your camera later on. Yeah. Right. The last,
I
but
don't
not the least.
know. My mom said my camera is too cool.
Yeah.
It
All right.
broke.
I give you 2 thumbs up. Give a round of applause for Glenn, for your braveness, and for your confidence, for your effort.
Even we cannot see.
Yeah, even you cannot see it, but I trust that you have creating a very awesome. Now this one, time for Abia to present your work. Give a round of applause.
Yay!
Louder ya, Abia. Yang keras suaranya Abia. Ready? 1, 2, go. Ayo. Nggak apa-apa. Karin sama Mr. Al sama teman-teman yang lain. Harus berani ya.
Pertama-tama dia gambar mukanya, habis itu gambar rambutnya, habis itu gambar matanya, alisnya, hidungnya, dan mulutnya. Itu dia gambar badannya, tangannya, kakinya, dan lautnya, mataharinya, awannya, dan ikan-ikan di dalam lautnya, dan ada ikan pari juga. Habis itu dia gambar botol-botol plastik dan bubble.
Ya, oke. Ada lagi Abia? Coba lihat gambarnya biar teman-teman yang lain dapat ininya, dapat ide dari Abia. Tunjukin tuh, lihat tuh, ini gambarnya Abia. Save our planet. Yeay, good job Abia. Keren banget. Sampahnya banyak dan lagi dikumpulin.
Yours is our, mine is the.
Iya, hampir mirip sama ini. Thank you Abia. Once again, we'll give you 2 thumbs up and then 5 stars. Now I need Glenn again to repeat your presentation, Glenn. Thank you, Abia. Now we have to give Glenn one more time presentation about his work. Come on, Glenn, just show us.
This is my sea drawing. I drew persons that are helping the sea. So first I drew the persons. I drew 3 persons. And I drew snorkels on their mouth so they can breathe in water. Yeah, and write Save Our Planet on their t-shirts and drawed a planet.
All right.
Nobody else them. I drew the waves of the ocean.
Okay.
And I drew jellyfishes and fishes, and a stingray. Some fishes are eating trash cans like this one. And finally, I drew the ground.
Okay.
Some plants and seaweeds. And then I drew some starfish. And then I drew some canned noodles and bottle things, plastic things that will harm the environment. So, and then I drew one person that is grabbing a net to catch the plastic things and metal things. And one is grabbing a little bucket so they can grab the fishes that are almost sick. And I drew some bubbles and the sun and the boat.
Wow, thank you, Glenn. Thank you so much for presenting your work. I give you 2 thumbs up. Well done. Great job. And then see that I trust you can draw very well, even though that just now your camera is off, but you can prove to us that you have already creating a very awesome and stunning drawing. So next week we are going to learn about basic animation. We're going to make some basic animation. I know that maybe some of you already feel boring to drawing.
Bored.
Yes. Next week we're going to use Flip Anim to create basic animation. Yeah, that will be so cool. Alright?
We can draw with the digital art.
Iya, sekarang Mr. A mau tanya,
I
Glenn,
don't know how to do digital art.
you don't know what about digital art?
You can
Yeah.
draw and gadget.
Ya, kita mulai bisa coba sekarang. Ruth pakai laptop apa pakai HP ya?
Pakai laptop.
Pakai laptop, oke, berarti bisa belajar animasi simpel. Kalau Niko pakai apa, Niko? Laptop atau HP? Laptop, good job. Now sekarang Abia pakai laptop atau pakai HP?
Laptop.
Oke, sekarang teman-teman ikutin Mr. Al. Kita akan coba basic animation ya. Sekarang kita akan buka dulu di browsernya. Kalau nggak bisa minta bantuan Mami ya atau Dedi. Kita buka
Ke Google.
ya, buka di Google. Kayak gini, misalnya ini. Ini diketik FLIP anim.com.
Flipanim.com.
Flipanim.com. Ayo, Elbrus juga boleh coba. Flipanim.com. Kalau pakai laptop, browse dulu ke Google-nya. Ketik flipanim.com.
Flipanim.com.
Harus ke anim.com.
Udah belum?
Kalau sudah, tinggal di enter.
Sudah.
Sudah.
Di enter, kita akan membuka page-nya seperti ini.
Ini betul?
Gak bisa. I can do it.
Coba, kalau sudah bisa, Glenn boleh coba. Sebentar, misalnya mau kasih tunjuk dulu caranya gimana. Ini Mami, Daddy, don't worry. This one is a safe website. So, actually, I'm using this website for teaching my students about basic animation. And
Could I
it's so
use
fun.
Could I use Scratch? Just
Enggak. Biar Bapak.
Okay. Let's go. Come on.
maybe your internet, Mr. Al.
Yeah, my internet are not good. Yeah, you can start now, Glenn.
I can share screen.
Yeah, you can share screen now. You can share screen now, please. Share your screen.
Yeah, the host disabled share screening.
Yeah. You cannot?
The host disabled share screening.
Okay, wait. I'm going to give you a... Wait, Glenn.
Mr. Al has to give Glenn permission.
Wait. I'm going to give you... Hello. Put a oh, you are the host now.
I'm the host. Okay.
Glenn is the host now. Come on, Glenn. Share the screen.
This is my test. This.
Yes. Click and
Yay.
just draw something.
What do we do?
Right.
Try to draw something. Nothing.
Ooh, like this.
Google lagi.
I dropped this.
Okay.
Did you draw this, Kak Glenn?
Nope. Nope.
Nih. Nggak boleh diinjak.
How can I do it?
Bentar. This is Oh,
You know how to do it?
Glenn,
Yeah?
you just drag the cursor, Glenn.
Just draw. Use your cursor. Draw
Just drag
something.
your cursor.
Yeah.
Cursor. cursor, draw something with your cursor.
Wanna
And
do it?
There. It can, right?
yeah.
Can I draw something?
Yes.
Can I draw
Yes,
a pony?
Yes, you can draw anything, whatever you want.
Wait. Can.
Yeah, you can edit.
What should I do? Yep, you're right. Of course. Can I edit? Of course.
Yeah, you can draw another things again.
And make it cool
Until it makes click sound like this. Click. Oh yes. With your thumb, please. With your thumb. Click.
What should I draw? Anything you want.
No, click.
I don't have a pencil. I need to draw a line. Mr. Al, can you draw a line?
First, you have to make you have to set me as the host.
How did it?
To do it, you click the three dots sign on my profile, on my screen, on my Windows. You see my
Okay,
name,
and then
put me as a host again.
wait. I'm trying. Ding.
Done? Okay, I will be the host again now and then.
I'm not the host anymore.
All right. So I will be the host.
I want long
Sorry guys, I still cannot reach the freepanim.com, so I cannot show you how to do it. But we can continue next time. Next week. I mean next on Wednesday maybe. All right then, this is it. We are now done.
I always do that.
Slide.
Bye-bye.
Sliding. Okay guys, I think we are running out of our time and we can meet again next time, yeah?
Okay, bye, Mr. Al.
Bye Ares and Theo, bye.
Bye, Mr. Al. Bye. Bye.
Bagus.
Bye.
Bye, keep on growing everyone.
Bye, Mr. Al.
Bye
Everyone.
Bye Ruth.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Al.
Bye Ruth.
Bye. Bye.